Today what I'm going to be doing is clearing a bit of my fence line off. When we bought this place, it was fairly wooded, would be the right word to put it, maybe. You got all these trees going through a lot of your internal fence lines. So same with over there. We're going to work on this fence line down here, which I've started clearing. What we got here now is all the area which was well and truly overgrown. I might take out a couple of these littler trees here just to give these other guys a bit more chance at growing decent. Hang on a sec. Today I've got my little helper with me. Hey JC, you coming to help out in the tractor?
Will this work?
No, it won't work, but they'll help your ears. Are you going to come help me on the tractor? Alright, let's go. How do we start the tractor up, JC? So what do? Do we go that way first? We get the glow plug on and then start him up. Okay, now what do? Good boy. Then what else do we have to pick up? Good boy. Okay, now ready?
Go!
We good farmer Jason with me today, helping me out. Okay, you got it? Little bit of height there. Open him up, mate. Got long grass there, so you're gonna have to push.
Yeah!
Good boy. Want a hand? Slash it. Look ahead. We're driving. Get the slasher out. we forgot our water bottles, so we're going to walk up and grab them after a bit of a morning of working. Come on, my best helper. Let's go. Hey buddy, what do you got there?
Strawberries.
Strawberries? Have you got your water?
Mm-hmm.
Did Daddy forget both of these when we first come down?
Uh-huh.
And what hat have you got on?
Crocodile.
Crocodile hat.
So I put it on here.
Dad's mistake today was that I forgot the food, I forgot the water, and my best little helper come down, so he's a bit tired now. It's heating up a little bit, so we walked up to the house and got everything. Now he's going to sit up on the tractor and supervise, aren't you?
Yeah.
I've definitely made this the hardest way possible for myself by carrying most of this stuff. I've now just made a couple of little piles to pick up with the tractor. Even watching this in a time lapse video, you guys will probably realise I'm pretty green on a tractor as well, so I'm not the best with it, but learning and getting better every time. See you, helper. You done for the day? Love you.
Love you too.
Yeah, I'll hold that. You go down. You go, buddy. Love you.
Love you too.
So I just dropped my helper off. He's had a pretty big day of it. He's sat up on the tractor for the last little bit to eat some strawberries and have some water and watch Dad do the rest of his burning pile.